to my channel. Today we're making sugar cookies. We need flour.
How much flour?
1.5
cup.
1/2 cup butter.
Half cup of
Half cup of
softened butter.
And a dense milk.
Condensed milk, half cup.
Half cup. And
Vanilla, 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of vanilla. I'm gonna put the condensed milk to the butter.
Okay, go ahead.
Go. So
Hadi, do you want to put in the vanilla? Hadi,
What?
put in the vanilla in there.
Okay.
Yeah, vanilla extract.
Thank you, Hadi. You're making this soft for me. So,
Okay, now you can add the flour.
okay. No, can I do it? Not heavy for me. I can do it. I know how you do mixing.
Okay, now mix.
Let me do it. Well, I mean, how it feels like. How do you wait? Let me see. Do it like this. Okay. Time is too slow.
Mix.
It's a good.
Yeah. Combine it together.
What's
Okay, how is the dough?
good?
Okay, good. All right, put it on the mat.
Mat.
This one.
Mama.
Right here.
Oh, this mat. Wow. You know what you just do?
Spread it.
Okay, you don't need to wear it then. Yeah, it's a dirty hat.
It's not dirty.
Yeah, it's a cookie.
Okay.
Look at the map now.
No, it's okay. Do another one. Do another one. It's okay. Don't worry about this one.
My turn now. It's my turn.
Okay, give it to Hadi.
It's my turn.
Musa, can you give it to Hadi, please? Okay, do it, Hadi.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go.
Now we're gonna put the sprinkle.
Okay.
I'm gonna put this, okay?
Okay. Here, put it on this one.
This one?
Yeah.
See, like this?
Yeah.
This one too.
Okay, are you going to put the cookies in the oven, Musa? For how long? 10 minutes
10 minutes
on 350 degrees
on 350 degrees
Fahrenheit, okay?
Fahrenheit.
All right, let's put it in the oven.
The delicious cookies ready.
You want to try them?
Yeah.
Is it good?
These cookies so good. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.